This looks like a movie, but what happens next will restore your faith in humanity. Wait for the ending. Meet this elderly man, who spent years living in a leaking shack right in the rice fields. The roof was falling apart, but a group of incredible strangers decided he deserved better. They completely tore down the old hut and started planning a brand new foundation. Using local bamboo, the team worked non-stop to raise a massive, two-story structure. They installed a solid metal roof, beautiful wooden walls, and modern solar lighting. They even went ahead and built a fresh, beautiful vegetable garden all around it. Now, he has a cozy luxury bedroom, a safe home, and a smile that is absolutely priceless. Humanity wins. Like and subscribe.